Hey, I'm sharing with you guys replacing my PCV valve in this Toyota Corolla A92 4AF. I woke up early this morning to, you know, uh, just to avoid my wife seeing me working in my car. No, I'm just kidding. No, actually, that's half meant. All right. Anyway, so we will show you. I'll just share with you. In replacing my PCV valve. If you don't know what PCV valve is, just Google it. Well, actually, if you're watching this video, I know you know what a PCV valve is. All right. All right, we got this PCV valve from Shopee, but sometimes we get to buy from Lazada. This time we got it from Shopee. The name of the shop is Brig Auto Parts, and we're going to unpack it. Well, it actually comes with the gourmet. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Gourmet or gourmet. It's like a rubber thing that we how we unpack it. Well, I'll show you later. I don't know how to say it. What's the use of a gourmet or gourmet? It's a rubber thing. I guess it's used to, lock the ooh, there's even a freebie for your face mask, yeah, it's to lock your face mask, right? I don't know how to how to call it, but anyway. Yeah, throw it away. I got it for like 390 pesos. PCV valve and the gourmet. Right, disinfect after unpacking, just to be sure. Here's the PCV valve. It looks decent. All right. Yeah, there's the part number, and here's the gourmet. This is where we insert this PCV valve to make sure it's locked and not wiggly. And let's go replace the PCV valve. This is the PCV valve that we will replace for this Corolla A92. We need a screwdriver first, right? And I normally use a long nose to pry this part, the gourmet. First, we'll need to pull this old PCV valve. All right. Still looks good, but I just want to make sure, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Then let's pry the gourmet. And we got to take off the old one, and it's already torn apart. You can see that this is the old gourmet. Make sure to wipe it and clean it first before we install the gourmet and the PCV valve. Get a new one, please. All we have to do is just, push it a little bit. All right, there it is. We already installed the gourmet. Now we go straight to our PCV valve. All right, here's our PCV valve. Right, it's all good. Right, just to be sure that it's locked and there's no leak, just turn it a little bit like that. All right, and then put the hose back, insert, and lastly the lock. Ooh, forgot. And there goes our new PCV valve installed, nice and snug. All right, it's good. All right, we already installed the PCV valve. I'm not a mechanic, but according to a lot of mechanics, PCV valve, it avoids burning oil, and also in my experience, it gave my car very good idling, and I think there's also an effect on the fuel consumption, I think. And yeah, by watching YouTube videos, Google, I think PCV valve, I learned that it's really a vital part of our cars. But anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our videos, more videos.